Hey, Mom? Yes, son? I know you're gonna say no, but I'm gonna ask anyway. Can I go partying with my friends tonight? Yeah, sure, go for it. Wait, let's go! Wait a minute! Don't you have a big test the next day? Well, yeah, but I already know everything on it, so I don't really— No! You're not going to the party tonight. You're gonna stay right here and study. But the test is easy. Everyone else in the class is going. Okay, let me say this. If all of your friends jumped off a bridge, would you? No, because I'm not brain dead. Enough of this! I'm getting your father. Honey. Should've listened to my mother. What do you want? Our son wants to go party, but he has a test the next day. Yeah, but the test is easy. Everyone else is going too. Oh, this is gonna be awkward. Why is that? Because I kind of agree with your mother on this one. Wait, what? Yeah, if you have a test the next day, you should probably get some sleep, even if it is easy, you know? But everyone else is going! Okay, and if everyone else jumped off a bridge, would you? Why do parents keep saying that? Sorry, but you've been outvoted. But I hate the board!